Hey guys, it's Sarah with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we have a review and install of the N-Fab cab length Podium Nerf side step bars in textured black, fitting your 19 and newer Chevy Silverado 1500 crew cab. This is perfect for the Silverado owner that's looking to add a step to their truck, especially if it's lifted or leveled like ours, and wants a drop step with an aggressive appearance. N-Fab's hoop step design provides a much needed boost into your truck and doubles as some added side protection against minor door dings. These steps feature a 3-inch tubular steel construction with a textured black powder coat finish and stamped steel step plates. And for your money, you get a durable and aggressive looking step that's bound to stand out in the crowd. I'm giving this install a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It features direct bolt-up install with no drilling required and can be done within 1 hour. So with that said, let's jump into our install. For this install, you will need a ratchet, a small extension, and a 12mm socket. Alright, so the first step in your install is to grab your side step. Make sure you're grabbing the proper one because they are side specific. You're going to want a friend for this step, and we'll hold it up underneath our truck. Hold up the step in position. We're going to start with the center bracket. And just thread it in there loosely. We're going to tighten them all down later. Alright, so you can't really see these last two, but once you have all 6 bolts installed, grab a 12mm socket and ratchet and tighten these down. It may be a little easier to use an extension for these ones on the bottom here. Alright, so that's going to do it for the review and install of these steps. And remember, for all things Silverado, keep it at AmericanTrucks.com.